B. R. Tagum.
Mayong buntag Pilipinas ug madayaw, Tagum. Today, we will bring you to the vibrant and colorful history of Tagum City. Tara, kuyog ta! This will take you into 3 exciting segments. First, the general history of Tagum City. Second, the oral history as shared by the elders. And lastly, the stories from the everyday lives of vendors and tricycle drivers of Tagum City. Tagum City, located in the heart of Davao del Norte, is known for its rapid development and rich cultural heritage. In 1941, it became a municipality and started evolving into a bustling town. Later in 1998, Tagum officially became a city. Over the years, it gained recognition as the Palm City of the Philippines due to its abundance of towering palm trees. Tagum is also famous for festivals like Musikahan and Pinuhan, showcasing its artistic and cultural vibrancy. An interview of Vice Mayor Alan Lopez Leon, Tagum before it was named Tagum City, it was known as Magupo North. The name Tagum came from a plant called Tagum. Before it became a city, it was only a small municipality with few barangays. Over the years, converted into an urban city, allowing it to experience significant changes not only in the political arena but also in physical structures.
In 93, gikan ko sa University of Mindanao na appoint ko as municipal administrator. So that time, ang Tagum munisipyo pa sa una, nahimo ni siyang syudad na convert into a city in 1998. Nahimong part ko ni Ana. That time, ang first mayor ato is former Mayor Victorio Soy Baguio Jr. That was in 1998.
Mayor Leon also stated that one of the significant accomplishments of Tagum City during the 1990s was its elevation from second to first-class municipality. This opened a gateway to increasing its financial resources through the Internal Revenue Allocation or RRA from the national government and local revenues.
Ang Tagum sa una, layo pa yun ang development, no? Nagsugod sila 8 million ang budget sa atong municipal government pa way back in the 1970s, 1980s to. But now, actually 2.2 billion na ang panalapi. So, munang big difference.
Now we are here at Sobricari Street and we had the privilege of interviewing an old resident here at Tagum City. He is about to share an incredible stories that shape the city's identity.
This story highlights the unity, resilience, and dedication of the people of Tagum City.
Ngayong tayo, we are students from Tagum Doctors College and gusto lang may mag-ask ko questions about sa kung unsay mong mga experiences diri sa Tagum City sa una.
Sa unang panahon, niabot ko sa Tagum, kay dayuhan biya ako, dili ko taga dire. Taga Misamis Occidental ako. I am living in the island in the middle of the sea. Sa kalisod, ding ari ko diri sa Tagum, perti yung lisura ang Tagum sa una. Ngano? Ang kaning lugar taga bukan taman ang tubig. Pag dito bisag asa ko, tubigan yon ila binagmag-ulan isa duha tulo ka adlaw. Padulong sa Kapitolyo, kay nagsuroy man ko, gikan sa UM, kay sa UM man ko nag-eskwela, medyo kanda hirap yun kay maglinya mi sa una, kung asa walay tubig dito mi ang among linya dili may straight. Naida dire, naida dito, naida scattered. Kay tubigan yun. Pobre yun ang Tagum. Nausab ang Tagum. Daw na, lisod ang panginabuhi sa Tagum. Tungod kay uwa po kay pangita, mahirap yun. Tagum sa una, makita nimo ang peace and order magulo. Di po doon masyadong magulo. Paglingkod ni Oy, nausab yun ang Tagum. Peace and order sa Tagum paglingkod ni Oy, medyo himbaba. Nakayon ko, amaw na ni ang ako.
Now we will talk to our tenderos and tricycle drivers who are part of the heartbeat of Tagum City. Their stories reveal their hard work and struggles as ordinary people of Tagum City.
Actually karon diri sa Tagum dako jud kay ang kabaguhan kay kaning lalo na sa kanang mga infrastructure gani about sa business nga nag-boom jud siya ang business nila sa Tagum kumpara dati. So dako kay kabaguan, dagan na mga establishment, gan jud og opportunity ang mga katawhan nga makatrabaho o kanang benefits pag migatag sa gobyerno makagamit po para sa katawhan.
These tenderas and tricycle drivers embody the hardworking and hopeful spirit of Tagum City. Their stories are a reminder that behind every thriving city are individuals who dedicated their lives to its growth.
From its humble beginning to its vibrant present, Tagum City history is a tapestry of stories that reflects resilience and growth.
The residents of this beautiful city share their insights and wisdom, reminding us of the beautiful foundation laid by generations before us.
And today, the tendero and tricycle drivers continue to shape the city's daily life with their hard work and determination.
Tagum City truly shines, not just because on the infrastructure that we've physically seen today, but also the experience and story of the individual who molds the city of harmony, which is Tagum City.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you are inspired by the vibrant and colorful history of Tagum City.